Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Amza. I'm from Group 5. Today I will show you guys about our slide in cognitive, socio-cognitive and language in cognitive development, which is related to our process, education and psychology, SHPP 1012. Okay, and this is my team name, Enrica, Nurizati, Hamza, and Alia Najiha. And we want to know more about the current research in human brain and cognitive development. The wordings of minds are associated with structures of brain by using fMRI. And there are several areas of brain involved, like cerebellum and cerebral cortex. Firstly, the specialization in areas of brain in cerebellum. The function is to balance and fine-tune motor and simple developments. It is important in our walking, eating, and reading habits. The second one is cerebellum. It is largest human brain component and contains largest number of neurons. The sequence of developmental cortex in areas control for physical movements, sense, and the complex cognitive processes. And the special one, it is the prefrontal cortex that take up 20 years to become fully developed.
Hello everyone, I'm Enrica Mariani Binti Masri. Now let's take a look on cognitive development theories. Alright, so first we have Piaget's theories of cognitive development, established by Jean Piaget from 1896 until 1980. Terms associated with Piaget's theories of cognitive development are schemas, which is the building block of knowledge, and assimilation in adaptation, which is using an existing schemas to deal with new object or situation. Next, accommodation in adaptation, which is when the existing knowledge doesn't work and need to be changed to a new object or situation. And lastly, disequilibrium and equilibrium, which are the act of searching for a balance. Alright everyone, so this is the example of assimilation and accommodation. You may pause this video to read it.
I will continue our discussion for today about the next subtopic, which is Piaget's stages of development. So this involving 4 stages, which is sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operations, and formal operation. So let's see. So what is sensory motor? Basically, children who age around 0 to 2 years old will going through sensory motor phase. These phases, they are using their 5 senses. For example, in the picture, you can see a children who play around with their toys by using their 5 senses, which is looking and touching. The next stage is pre-operational stage. In this stage, they are involving about intuitive thought of the children. So how their intuitive thought work? So basically, children will have a lot of imagination and they tend to be believe into magical things. The third stage is a concrete operation. So in this stage, the children tend to use their logical thinking. They also have the ability to arrange a few things or numbers. The last stage of Piaget's stages of development is formal operation. Not all children can reach at this point because this is involving a high level of human thinking.
So let's continue with Lev Vygotsky's sociocultural view of development. There are 2 things that has been pointed out by Vygotsky, which is social interaction that contains internalization and mediation, and language, which contains inner or private speech. This is the explanation of internalization, which learning occurs through interaction with others and knowledge is co-constructed. And this explains about mediation. There are 2 types of mediator, which is physical tools and psychological tools. And I also put the application of mediators for you to understand it better. So this is the explanation of language. According to Vygotsky, language is central to cognitive development. Through private and inner speech, children learn to organize and structure their thinking. And this is zone of proximal development, ZPD. There are 3 levels of ZPD, which is the first one is independent zone, the second level is ZPD, learning with support, and the third one is beyond ZPD, which is task too difficult. And this is the last one, which is practical implication of Vygotsky theory, which is scaffolding, zone of proximal development, collaborative learning and peer interaction, and the last one is language and thoughts. So that's all from me. Thank you. Hey everyone, it's me again. So this is the comparison between Piaget's and Vygotsky's theories of cognitive development. Alright everyone, you have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!